It's so good to see you. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to skate around like penguins. Do you see the penguins? They're skating on the ice. They're going fast. They're going slow. They're going around and around and around. And sometimes they freeze. Are you ready to skate like a penguin? Here we go.
We're penguins skating around. We're penguins skating around. Skating fast and skating slow. Round and round we go. Waddle to the left. Waddle to the right. Waddle, little penguins, move from side to side. We're penguins skating around. We're penguins skating around. Skating fast and skating slow. Round and round we go. Slide to the front. Slide to the back. Slide, little penguins, and tap, tap, tap. We're penguins skating around. We're penguins skating around. Skating fast and skating slow. Round and round we go. Skating, 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 freeze. Skating, 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 freeze. Skating, 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 freeze. It's so cold we shake our knees. We're penguins skating around. We're penguins skating around.